Hello, my name is Sheun Ogula. I'm a clinical psychologist. I'm here to tell you that it is very important for you to take care of your mental health. Your mental health encompasses your cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well-being, which is more or less the totality of a human being. Just like you take care of your physical health, when you are ill or something, you go to the hospital, you should make sure that you normalize seeing a therapist or a psychologist when you are feeling emotionally down or you feel like there are challenges with your cognition or your behavior as well. Why is mental health specifically important for young people? As young people, young male or female, you are passing through significant changes in your biological, emotional, psychological, development. You are changing, and these changes can actually cause distresses because you're transitioning from one phase of development to the other. So it is very important that you are very careful with the way that you transition. A lot of young people are falling into a lot of mental health issues um, because of uh, you know lack of guidance and not understanding these phases that they are going through. Issues like depression, like anxiety, and some other people like substance use, which is on a rise right now, especially for young adults. A lot of people use different negative coping skills to deal with these um, frictions or challenges that they are facing as young people. Most especially in a country like Nigeria, with the whole economical and issues in Nigeria, the rise in poverty and lack of even parental guidance. A lot of youth have the tendency to just veer off and seek help where there is actually no help. A lot of them cope with different methods that are negative, especially the use of substance, illicit drugs, and this is something that can be curbed if youths are aware of how their biological changes, psychological changes at their stage is going to affect their behavior and going to affect their well-being in general. So there's a lot and a lot more that we as psychologists can do for you, especially if you are willing to, seek help from a therapist. It is important that when you begin to notice some changes and you begin to notice that you're not, as you used to be, as vibrant, or you become way withdrawn, and or maybe you are not as vocal as you used to be, self-esteem issues, it is very important that you seek help because these things are treatable, these things are curable if you seek um, uh, the right help. Like I said, my name is Shion Ogula. You can check me out on Instagram on at Sergeant Repose Consulting. You can check out my blog at shonnysidevaleblogspot.com to see a lot of materials that would help you definitely as you go through this phase into a proper adult who is well rounded and you know ready for the world, more or less. Thank you very much for your time.